Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new, hi, my name is Lindsay Lauren, and yes, in today's video we're doing something different. I am doing makeup unboxing slash try makeup review slash trying these products, because I bought SHEIN and MissDarcei's collaboration on SHEIN, because I saw it on her YouTube shorts and YouTube video, I think. Yeah, I think it was her YouTube video, so I thought I might as well just get these, because she said she specifically made these for black girls because there's no orange blush for black girls, and I don't really use an orange blush. I don't actually use blush, let alone orange one. Like, if you've been watching my YouTube channel, you can tell that I actually don't wear blush. So I do like highlighters, but a blush, I usually wear a pink one, which is a powder blush, and hers is orange and it's liquid. So that's interesting. And lately I started using the lipstick as a blush, the red lipstick, because I saw that as a trend on TikTok as well. And oh my gosh, I cannot tell you guys, I'm actually obsessed with that idea, and it looks good because you put it on your nose as well. Oh, looks gorgeous on me, I can't lie. But I'm hoping that I'll be obsessed with these as well. Oh my goodness. But okay, this is what it says. It just says SHEIN X MissDarcei. And yeah, I believe she said this was her signature. And it down here it says liquid blush plus highlight kit. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Because can you see the packaging though? I don't want to get rid of these because I bought two by mistake. So the other one is actually on my display, which is weird because I don't want to get rid of them because they're quite nice, and it's quite weird that it's got that's his face and I'm keeping it in my house like a decoration piece. So yeah, okay. Do you see how gorgeous these look? The orange looks very vibrant, I can't lie. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. One thing I can say about these is like they are actually a tight fit in this. Yeah, I'm struggling to get this out. Oh, okay, so these remind me of Fenty Beauty. And by the way, let's just get straight into it. And this is shade Pumpkin. That's what it looks like. It's actually bigger than I thought. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to expect, you guys. This is very no way. This is very bright. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, okay. That is very bright. Okay, so on her video she used the brush, but usually when I put my okay, so on her video she used a brush. That means it blends very well with the brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. Bear in mind, you guys, I don't have any highlighter on my face, or like I just put my foundation, my yeah, I just did everything really. I put my powder, foundation, and you know, I just didn't put the highlighter, so, and the blush as well, cause yeah, we're trying this one. Wow, there is so much difference. No, oh my gosh. No, can you guys see that? Right now it looks like my face is glowing from within. Like, can you? No, I haven't even put the highlighter yet. Oh no, oh my gosh, I love this. No way. Nah, it's actually going very well because I have orange undertones and this, yeah, I have yellow orange undertones, so with orange it looks gorgeous. Oh my goodness, you guys, I like this. So I don't know if I should go ahead and put, okay, let me put the highlighter on this side and then we'll compare the sides. Okay, here's our highlighter and it's in shade Golden Topaz. Okay, that is a lot. Oh my gosh, I love the brush. Oh wow, that is so, it looks very okay, let's just blend this as well. Do you know what, you guys? I don't like putting liquid highlighters because sometimes they're very hard to blend. And if you leave it a bit longer, it just dries up quickly. But this is actually blending because I left it for like a couple of seconds, not minutes, couple of seconds, but it's actually blending. Damn, guys. Hear that? I can't believe this. This is so beautiful. Actually, like, I'm curious. I wonder what it looks like without makeup on, because I think that would look bomb without makeup. Because yeah, the blush is giving, the blush is doing it. Oh my gosh, without makeup as well. But anyways, you guys, overall I'm quite happy with this, and the blush worked really well and it blends nicely. But the highlighter as well is quite nice. The consistency is quite good as well, and it looks gorgeous. But with the highlighter, I might add that because of mine, I left it for like 15-30 seconds and it was kind of drying up. So I think as soon as you put it, just blend it out, because mine was, if you can see there, but it was dry. But overall, I'm quite happy with this product and I am obsessed. Thank you so much, Darcy, for making this for black girls. And I promise you guys I'm going to be using this on a daily basis. And no, it's not sponsored. I know I sound like it's sponsored, but it's not. Okay, so this was £8 each. Not each like that, but the box was £8. So when I bought mine, it was down to £7.49 or something like that, so which was quite a bargain. So yeah, you can go grab yours, you guys, because they're quite affordable at the moment and they're quite good. Get some for friends, family as a Christmas present. See what I did there? I got you guys. But anyway, anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. Do have yourself a lovely week, and yeah, hopefully I'll post more videos before I say Merry Christmas. And anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.